Pop Rock, and welcome to my channel. And in my last drawing video, I showed you all how to draw Mabel Pines from Gravity Falls. And so now I'm going to show you the finished piece. 3, 2, 1, boom! I know this isn't how the star's supposed to be drawn in, but hey, it's fine. And I did write in the description that I would show the real star technique. I thought it would take forever to explain, and so here it is. You might want to slow it down and rewatch it. Boom! That's it. And so, yeah. And today, we're going to be drawing the Raspberry Racers logo. Because the Marble Olympics are starting, I decided to draw the logo of my supporting team, Raspberry Racers. This is the reference, and I'm probably going to show it throughout the video. Okay. Found a blank piece of paper. Okay, I'm gonna start with like a really large circle. And yes, I am wearing the Fitbit. Like this. Okay. And then we're going to draw like a smaller circle. And it's going to go like a little bit across the side. Like that. And so then we're going to be drawing the raspberry and the Raspberry Racers logo. This is pretty important, saying as it's called Raspberry Racers. And at the very top, and not at the very top, we're going to be writing JMR, Yelly's Marble Races. So I'm going to draw a circle that's about this size. Let me trick my ruler to see how big that is. 2 centimeters. That is 2 centimeters. Or in other words, about 3/4 of an inch. And then I'm going to draw it about the same size to the right. It looks a little bigger, so I'm just going to keep that in mind. And then in the center, like right there, I'm going to draw right, another circle the same size. Right. So I'm basically just doing the middle of these 3 circles. And over to the side. So then if you draw a line through it, it's sort of diagonal. We're not going to keep this line though. Then I'm going to do the same to the other side. I'll fix that. And you don't need to use a ruler to measure it. It's about the same size. No one, unless you're crazy, then no one really does it. And then using our reference, it's going to be 2 circles next to each other in that. Like this. And then the other one, I'm going too fast to always slow down the video. And like next to here, we're gonna write the R and R to Raspberry Racers. Okay? Okay. And then I don't even need to show you the reference. I'm going to draw one last circle right there. And then is the raspberry in Raspberry Racers. And the last details are going to be the JMR to the Yelly's Marble Races. You may think I'm mispronouncing that, but that's actually what it is. It's pronounced Yelly's. I'm just gonna use a pen for this. JMR. And then next to here, I'm gonna write R. And that's all you need to do to learn how to draw the Raspberry Racers logo. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Because in the next drawing video, you'll see this all colored in. Bye!